Welcome back to the channel, good friends. I want to clean this interior, long overdue. This is way more neglected than any Porsche should be, but I also want to kind of condition protect the leather seats. What I'm going to do is use the Koch Chemie LS or Leather Star. This is meant to clean. I wouldn't count on it to clean anything really dirty like this is right now. So I'm going to use something before that to do the extra heavy lifting. And then I'm going to use this to kind of condition and protect the leather afterwards. Let's get to work. This thing is bad. The leather seats in the Cayenne here have not been cleaned quite some time. You can see the body oils making the leather shiny. That should be more like a satin or a matte look to it. Feels, grabby, sticky, it's dirty, greasy, body oils. We want to clean all of that off of there before protecting it. So when it comes to the leather treatment, it's going to be done both by the Koch Chemie products. Leather Star, but first cleaned by Green Star. You can also do Polestar. Green Star is just fine at a cut rate or dilution ratio of 10:1. We have the P and S scrubber and a detail brush and a couple B-tier towels. So I'm going to run a piece of tape all the way down the middle so you can get a great 50-50 shot. There should be a huge difference by the time we're finished. Once again, we'll use the Green Star all-purpose cleaner, and we'll have that do the muscle work, lifting up the body oils, the dirt. This is perforated leather for the most part, and the rest is a smooth leather that needs to be desperately cleaned. And we'll use the scrubber here, and then when we get to the seams, we'll spread the panels and the pieces and the patches apart and get to the seam, get to the stitching, and really give it a deep clean. That will do it for the scrubbing. Let's bring in a damp microfiber and mop up all of that garbage. I couldn't wait to start on the driver's seat where I sit day after day and get all of that off of there. You'll immediately see a huge difference. The Green Star's done a great job. I would never rely on the Leather Star to do the heavy lifting such as that. You could count on it to do some maintenance cleaning and protection at the same time as a 2 or 3 in 1. After you've cleaned it properly like this, you can see all that shininess from the body oil's gone, feels natural, looks natural, and it's ready for the protection. So now we can continue on, finish the entire seat. We'll do all of these, second row, third row if you have them, and then we'll break out the Leather Star. So Leather Star is a premium leather care for revitalizing, preserving, and protecting against materials becoming brittle. Creates a pleasant fragrance, a color intensifying appearance, and a subtle soft feel without causing undesirable slipperiness. Shake up that rich formula vigorously. Grab yourself either a foam, which is what I have here, a foam applicator, or even a microfiber applicator, or just a small microfiber towel. Dump the product into the towel or any applicator you have. Spread it out evenly, one panel at a time. Just spread it out and it'll self-level. It will go from a little bit of a glossy look to a natural matte finish. No need to mop up or wipe it afterwards with a microfiber unless you spill a drop or two into a clump. And continue that all the way around the vehicle, anything you want to protect anyways. It looks natural, it feels natural, has a great scent to it, and it just gives you that fresh, clean finish. Great experience. Standing here looking at it and the seat across, which hasn't been cleaned yet, a very big difference. All right, guys, so much better already. I would probably use this if it's a daily driver, use it every 3-4 weeks or so. But I'm going to keep applying it to keep it looking fresh, fantastic, and protected. I'll put a link down below if you want to look into it a little bit further. Those that use this on a regular basis, because it's been out for quite some time. I'm always late to the party. Let us know down in the comments section how it's working for you and what should our expectations be. This has been Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.